This your boy dewiemanemartin. Okay, now. I'm sorry, I gotta put myself together. I just got done watching the video, One Guy, One Cup. Sick shit. Don't, for anybody else out there who's never seen it, I'm gonna tell you now. Don't watch it. Ever. Ever. I feel so sorry that I watched it. Trying to be nosy. Now, once again, here I go. Trying to be nosy. I'm gonna watch One Guy, One Screwdriver. Now, I'm only watching this because somebody asked me to watch these two videos. Watch. And I swear to God, if I see blood, if the screwdriver breaking in it, break, or whatever the fuck he's gonna do, this nigga sticks the screwdriver up his ass, I'm finna quit fucking watching. Off top, if it even looks like it's gonna go anywhere near his ass, I'm finna quit watching. Right now. Because I ain't got time to see all that shit. That shit was sick. I feel bad for that motherfucker. Like, I feel so sorry. Like, I want to lend him my ass. No, no, I don't. No, 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 no. Because I don't dare want to shit like that on mine. But that was some sick shit, John. Like, he bogus. So, I'm about to watch the bullshit now. Oh, hell no. What the fuck? My dick, I feel so. No! What the fuck is wrong with dude? I feel like I shouldn't be fucking watching this man. And you know what? I'm about to turn the shit off. Fuck that. Like, I'm glad it's over. A minute and 7 seconds. That was not shit. But I feel so bad for my dick. Like, man. If I ever get somebody trying to stick anything on the inside of my dick, I was like, God. He pulled a fool out of my dick. That is sick ass shit. Like, do this motherfucker get off on bleeding? Like, or some pain or some shit? Like, I can't do that. That's nasty. That's some sick shit though. Like, man. I gotta drink to that. Like I gotta take a drink to that. Like, I don't know. Like, that scared me. Like, that's just something. That's something I'm used to or something. Like, what the fuck? Like, this nigga really gets off on that shit. Or whatever he does. He likes that shit. I'm hearing noise. Clearly tweaking. That shit that scares the fuck out of me. Anyway, like, he likes that shit or whatever. That's just not what's the business. I need to drink. That was the worst thing I ever seen. I'm gonna have to watch Finding Nemo like tonight before I go to sleep because I'm gonna have nightmares about that bullshit. Like, bruh, that's just gross. Like, I'm done talking about it. So, man, I'm gonna put on Finding Nemo. I'm gonna clear my mind from all that nastiness I just saw. I'm your boy Dewey Man Martin. I think my show has come to an end. Good night.